Okay, today's lesson is about writing equations in slope-intercept form. My Promethean board is still not working correctly, so there's going to be a few more pauses than usual, and I can't write on the board. But I do have the lesson written out, so go ahead and follow through, write it in your notes, and try the practice problems and bring them to class. So, writing equations in slope-intercept form. Of course, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So you're given the slope, m equals -3, and a point of 1, 4. So you plug it into slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Notice that in your point, your 1 is your x value and your 4 is your y value. So you plug that in to solve for b. So does everybody understand that we have 4 equals -3 times 1 plus b, 7 equals b? You may have to look at that a little bit. But then you solve for b, you already had your m, so your equation is y equals -3x plus 7. So here's your second problem. M is equal to 3, and your ordered pair is -4, -7. Again, y equals mx plus b. You plug in your y value, which is -7. You plug in your m value, which is 3. You multiply it by your x value, which is -4, plus b. So here we end up with a +5. And if you do the math, you'll see that's right. And so your final equation is y equals 3x plus 5. Please try these two and bring them to class. But there's still another part, so go to the next slide after you try them. Sometimes you're just given 2 points, and they ask you to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So to write the equation of the line, what do we need? We need a slope and b, the y-intercept. And you find your slope by plugging it into slope formula. So again, remember x1 minus x1 y1, x2 y2. Plug it in, and your slope is 3. Everybody should be very familiar with that by this point in time. Now you plug in either point. It makes no difference which point you choose. You will end up with the same answer for b. So I chose 1, 5, using that as my x and my y, and m is equal to 2. So 5 equals 2 times 1 plus b. And when you do the math there, you find out that b is equal to 3. So try these two and bring it to class. Again, solve for slope first. Pick either point as your xy to plug into slope-intercept form. And then solve for b. Take the slope that you solve for and plug your b in, and that's your equation. Please bring these two to class, and we'll practice more in class today. Thank you.